Alright, in today's video, we are going to talk about what is the Db2 equivalent of select from do. So in the RDBMS world, so starting Oracle, it has a very famous select statement called select something from do. Has many discussion, So, and for other RDBMS, they have a similar statement. So, for example, in the SQL Server, you can just simply select result from something, okay? You can get the same result. Similar for MySQL or MySQL. You can just do a simple select. So in this video, we're going to take a look at what we can do in Db2 to accomplish the same thing. I listed a few ways to do that, and we'll demo, okay? The first one, traditionally, we just use select something from sysIBM system1, or simply use values something. In relative new version, you can use select from sysIBM do or another one, similar one. So we will demo, okay? Also, you can use set schema. If you use set schema, you can accomplish this as well. But that is not the true select something from do, okay? The last one in Db2, you can set as Oracle compatibility. Then you can true accomplish select from do, okay? Let's do the demo, okay? So in the lower screen panel, so I have 3 databases running. So let's look at the Oracle first, okay? So I'm gonna just SU to the Oracle user. So let's do a PS. So you'll see I have a Oracle database running on this server. Pima, okay? So the Oracle instance is called free. It's at 23C, okay? So let's do a SQL plus. Before I do that, let me source the Oracle inventory event or env, okay? env. So the Oracle ID is free. Now in the Oracle, let's do a quick SQL plus, okay? SQL plus as sysdb dba, okay? So in Oracle, we can do like a select. Let's see, we select a number like 1 from do. You just like echo this number. Well, let me use edit, okay? So select 1 from as do, okay? So they simply echo this number. Let's see where we want to select something. Let's see timestamp, okay? Let's see current timestamp from do. They just give you this value, okay? Give you the timestamp, okay? So this is the way in the Oracle select from do. So other RDBMS implementation could be a little bit different, but it's very similar, okay? So let's select to MySQL, okay? Not MySQL, this is SQL Server. So I have a SQL Server running on this database. It is SQL Server 2022, okay? So let's, I'm gonna switch to the user. You don't have to, but just for demo, okay? So let's switch to that one. So I'm doing a connection. So this is my command, SQL CMD. The user I'm going to use is SA, the password, okay? So I connect to the database. So let's first do a select something for select one. Go. So you will see just select this value. If you want to select char, let's see, select y. Okay, so select char, a string. You get this value. Okay. Let's also do a select. What is the SQL Server? It's get date. Okay, so you will get the timestamp. Get date. So this is Oracle on the SQL Server. Way to do that. There's a parenthesis. Okay. You get a timestamp. So in Db2, there's many ways to do it. So let me exit and switch to the Db2 instance. Okay. So in my case, it is a Db2 instance 1. Okay. So let's connect to the database. Let me see what database I have. Db2 list db directory. Okay, I have a demo database. Let me just do a connect. Okay. Connect to demo. So the first method we can do it is called select. This is traditional, okay, regardless what version. Let's see, we use current time stamp, okay, current time stamp from sys IBM and sys dummy1. You see there's lots of type. Okay, you type many things. Now they give you similar result, right? Let's see if I select one. So we get the similar result as selected from do. So in the Db2, there's also another way to do that. It's not the select statement. It is called value. Okay, so values. Okay, it's similar to the select statement, just different keywords. So they will accomplish same thing. You see, values 1 or values current. Let's see, current date, current timestamp, whatever you like. Okay, so this is the two way to do that. So the third way, it is there's a do table in the system you can query. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, db2 list tables for all. Okay, so I'm gonna grab those the table name called do, D-U-A-L. You see, there's a two table. One it is a view, another one it is a alias. Okay, so we can do similar thing. Select star from do, right? So we can also see sys public. You can also do the same thing. So if you do just remove this, by the default, they're going to use your current instance name, right? So current schema. So you can get to see it's undefined. That was said if you say set schema is db2 is 1, your current schema, then let's see, not db2 is 1. So if you set the instance schema to be explicitly, let's see, we set this to this as explicitly, okay? Now you can omit the schema, so you can do this way, okay? Or you see I set to sysIBM. You can do the same thing. But this is not really a true select something from do. And so I just put here just to demo show a alternative. Okay, so the last example I'm going to show is in Db2, it is indeed have a true select something from do. For this to function, we have to set so-called Oracle compatibility, okay? Okay? I'm missing an I. So, but anyway, so let's see how I'm going to do it, okay? To do that, we have to set a Db2 registry. So let's do a Db2 set, okay? So let me first find out the variable I'm going to use, okay? It's a comp. Let's see what it's called. So this one, it's called the Db2 compatibility vector. So for this one, you can set to be Aura or Sybase or MySQL, okay? So we are going to set as, let's see. Let me copy and paste. So we're going to set as Oracle, okay? It's ORA. Once you DB2 set, not DB2. So DB2 set, all right? So let me change my note. So for this to function, you have to set this parameters, okay? No. So we're going to run this command. The db2 set compatibility vector equals R, okay? So this is the one we're going to set. After that, you need to bounce the instance, okay? Well, let me paste. It's copy. Let me see. One more time. Copy, paste. Okay. So after that, we're gonna do a db2 stop and the db2 start. Okay. db2 stop false and db2 start. Okay. Okay. So all right. So once you can see right now it is set properly. If you check the value, you can see it now. We set this compatibility vector to Aura. Okay, so let's do a db2 stop force. db2 start. So to make this variable or registry variable take effect. After that, let's do a connection. So we're going to connect to the demo. So now, if we do this command, like db2 select do, now it's working. Okay, because the db2 have the functionality, you can use feature, see if make it Oracle compatible. Okay, and so that is the few way to do it. Okay, yeah. So we can stick to the traditional way. So this is the one. It's always working, right? And also this one also working. This one should work, and this one should work. Okay. Unless it's necessary, we enable this Oracle compatibility vector. But in general, probably we don't. Okay. This is just FYI. So that's all.